Hey everybody, BabS here. This past week, just in the last few days, we introduced a new product for us, and I think probably for you. It's rubber-coated hematite. Hematite is one of my favorites. It has a special coating on it. What is it called, Carrie?
PVD coating, particle vapor, and I can't pronounce the last word without saying it wrong.
Anyway, and it's a permanent coating, and it gives it this wonderful colors.
That's not the rubber coating.
No.
Yeah. That's,
Okay, and it gives it like this I call them mermaid colors. Anyway, so we were ordering these, and in doing that, we came across rubber-coated hematite with big enough holes it can go on memory wire, which is another favorite of mine. I love memory wire better than elastic because it lasts forever. And the beads, the rubber-coated hematite comes in awesome colors. If you don't follow us, then you haven't seen the wonderful selection of colors. It's permanent, it's rubber, it's very athletic, sporty, young, hip, and if you look here, zoom in dear, here's a few examples of just what I've made in the last couple of days playing with it. Memory wire, wire turning, just regular wire turning techniques. Here are some of the beads. You can see the hematite in the center and the rubber edge. These are the metallic finish on the wavy beads. I like to use those for accents. And you can see the drama and the geometry that you get in the design. It's very fun. I call this a bumblebee bracelet. Anyway, it's very fun. And if you haven't designed with memory wire, it's real simple. You use 1.5 loops, equals up 1 time around the wrist. You cut it with a memory wire cutter, folks. This is a memory wire cutter. If you use your regular cutter, you'll destroy it. So don't use that. Cut your loop, use your round nose plier, or when we get them back in, you can get the memory wire plier. Turn in the opposite direction that the curl wants to go in. Then you make it circle around and start loading. Have fun. I like to put a little ball at the end, and if I can, a cap or a daisy there, because that butts up against the bead nicely. Just start loading and designing. A little pointer, if you're obsessive compulsive, is to count how many beads you're putting on this end and push aside the rest of the beads to push aside your beads to make sure that you match this end to this end. Anyway, so it's fun to take and use contrasting color to accent your color change.
Let's show what you're doing here.
I'm just stacking right now.
Let's show it. Let's show the stack. Show it.
Hang on, I'm getting it. Switching colors. Don't push me, baby. You can't push design. So while we were getting ready...
I'm your director. Don't you watch that show on TV, on
you
Apple
can't
TV?
push design,
The
babe.
morning show?
Oh, no. Now I'm getting obsessive compulsive. I need another yellow.
Well, your hands are hiding what you're doing.
Okay. So, there we go. See how the black accents my switch to purple here? And then I'd put another yellow in, and then a black, and then switch to silver. Okay? Anyway, so I'd have fun doing that. And then I would stack again here. And this is just straightforward wire turning. Let's see. Anything else?
Nope, that's pretty good there. You guys get the right idea.
Oh, this morning coming in, I thought, ching! If you don't know about rubber tubing is wicked cool. It's a hollow rubber tube, and it's just the right size. So I pulled these little caps out to stick on here. Reverse it. That's what I was gonna do. Okay, a little bit funny today, so there. Cut off a section of rubber tubing, and it's just like a bead at this point. You can see it's lots of feet for very little money. I think it's $8 for the rubber tubing. And this way you don't use your super expensive sliced hematite.
She was being sarcastic about the expensive. It's $8 for a 16-inch strand.
Yeah, $8 for a strand. Anyway, your super expensive. Let's see, it goes on this way. This way. Did I put it backwards? Yes, I did. Okay, so there. I love rubber tubing too. You can get the aesthetic of crystal put on leather doing this. Come on. I am a little thummy today.
Need some better glasses?
No, that's not the glasses. It's my fingers are a little stiff. And see? Look at that.
Hang on. Okay, let's show where the lens is. So that's pretty cool. Easy.
You can knock out bracelets. And while we were prepping the camera to shoot this, my girlfriend Serena, who I turned this on to, she saw a couple pictures. She saw this and she just FaceTimed me while we were shooting the first shot of this and showed me 10 bracelets that she made this morning with the stuff that we got for her yesterday. So yeah. We were practicing over dinner last night turning loops. Anyway, so yeah, it was fun. She's having a good time. I told her to send me a picture.
All right, I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe, and we'll be doing more shoots like this in the future.
Have fun with it. Order, follow.
Okay, bye-bye.